Hello and what is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I felt like cooking some field peas today. This is actually some neck bones that I am boiling in order to clean them. Always clean your meat, no matter what meat it is when you cook it. I don't care if it's chicken, whatever it is, you clean it. You boil it, and you see all of this stuff here. You want to get your meat nice and clean, And so, all right, so I have cleaned my neck bones by boiling them, cleaned them off all of the film that was on them. But now I'm going to clean them as far as getting the tube out. This right here has to be taken out. This tastes really bad, all right? So this is how you clean neck bones. You say, all right, so now I know. And then I'll take a little bit of this off. I don't take everything off as far as fat because that helps out. You need a little fat, all right? And get that out of there. See that? That's a tube. And you have to get that. You have to get that. See? That tube right there. See that? Get all of that out of there. Then once I'm done doing this, I'm going to wash it off really good, and I'm just going to put it back in the pot and add my field peas. That one looks pretty good.
When you boil these, add vinegar to them. It'll help to take some of the wild out, and it will help to clean them, all right? And these are all washed up really nicely, and I'm just going to put them in the pot.
Okay, so these are my field peas. I've had them soaking for a little bit, and I'm going to just make sure they're nice and clean. You know, just because you buy something at the store and you think it should be clean, you think it's washed and all of that, it's not necessarily true. All right, so you want to make sure that they are clean.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to wash them a few more times. Make sure that this is cold water. You don't want to wash them in warm water. And whenever you're cooking, don't start cooking with warm water. You want to always start out with cold water, all right, when you cook. Don't put hot water in the pot.
All right, so I am ready to add my field peas. You don't need a lot of water, all right, for these. They hold water, and so you don't want to put too much water in here. Now, the question is, do you season these now, or do you season them after they start to cook? It's all preference. I was in the Winn-Dixie a while back, and a gentleman asked me, because I'm a lima bean lover, and he was like, do you put your seasoning in when you first start to cook your beans, or after they've began cooking and they're kind of almost done? And I told him I do it in the beginning. It really, because thing of it is, what you must realize is, whatever you don't add in the beginning, it's kind of too late once they've begun to cook, because you want your seasoning to cook in your food. Always remember that, especially about salt. When you don't add salt in the beginning, it's too late to add it at the end, because it's just going to taste really, really salty, and it's not going to be in there. You know, the seasoning is not going to be in. That's with any seasoning. So you want to kind of do that in the beginning, all right? Okay, here I have salt, pepper, and accent. And I'm going to just add that in there. And I'm also going to add some onions to this. It's going to give it a really, really good flavor. All right, and then I'm just going to place my top on. I'll be back. All right, these babies are cooking up really, really nice. All right, so my field peas are ready. I'm just going to let them simmer a little bit so that the juice can get a little bit thicker, because that's how I like mine. I like the juice to be nice and thick, all right? But they're ready. These are some boneless pork steaks. I've already seasoned them up. I'm going to be grilling these, but for time's sake, I'm just going to come back with the finished product. I may show them while they're cooking on the grill. I may not. We'll just see, all right? But I will be back. All right, so I said I wasn't going to show it, but I ended up showing it anyway. Just a quick look. It's done, but I've put a glaze on it, and so I'm just going to let it cook in a little bit, and I will show you my finished results. All right, so here's my finished result. This is field peas, cornbread, pork steak, boneless pork steak, and yellow rice. Thank you all for watching another session of Cooking with Laurie, aka Food and Music with Laurie. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press that post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you will be notified. Until next time, see you later.